wants up. Now, we're going to start this over and over again. Okay, let's do this.
Still too fast.
Let's do back some. There you go. Look at that thing. Zai, stop. You getting in the way. Zai, you getting in the way. Zai, you getting in the way. Woo! Wait guys, I'll be right back. Watching the video. Oh, okay. Okay guys, back. Look at the thing go.
No!
He already said I couldn't.
Like, why?
The police truck already passed here. Oh God, look how far that thing went. All the way down the street. Wait guys, there it is.
Controlling the streets.
Look at this cool baby. Look at this cool baby.
You will get arrested.
Look at this cool baby.
You wish. You wish.
Nah. This is not a video about, like, yeah. So, yeah. Unlimited time. So, if you guys watch this, it's only going to be a few minutes. So, yeah. Hope you're time. I got school today. Whew, guys, I gotta go make all the videos with my cousins, my family, and my friends. So yeah, that's good.
I'll be on the edge of the street following you.
Soup.